This is a side hustle I have not seen a single other person do, and it has massive potential to make money. By the way, this costs $0 to start, so there's no risk. First, you're gonna go to the site Etsy.com, and in that search bar, you're gonna type in the word homemade space. You're gonna see it's gonna give you a few options, and then you're gonna type in A, backspace B, backspace C, and you're gonna see all these different options. Click into one of the words, and then go find the cheapest option available. Boom, there's one for $6. Highlight the link to the listing at the very top. Then you're gonna start keeping a sheet that keeps track of all of the listings. Next, you're gonna go to the Facebook Marketplace, and you're gonna click Create New Listing. Add a listing for each of the items in your spreadsheet inside of Facebook Marketplace. When someone buys, you'll just go to the Etsy listing you've already got in your sheet, click Add to Cart, cha-ching! Ship directly to them or ship to you and have them come pick it up. The link in my profile has a video with an even better idea than this one.